Before you throw water, seed, or fertilizer at a brown lawn, stop. Because a brown lawn does not always mean a dead lawn. The top of the grass can look dry and straw-colored, while the crown and roots are still alive underneath. But the fix depends on the cause. So before you waste money or make the lawn worse, check these 5 things first. Number 1. Is most of the lawn brown after hot, dry weather? If the whole lawn has turned pale, yellow, or straw-colored, it may be drought stress. That means the grass has slowed down to protect itself. It can look dead, but it may just be dormant. Here's what to do. Look closely at the base of the grass, right near the soil. If you can still see a little bit of green, the grass may recover when rain returns. So don't rush to rip it up. And don't throw grass seed onto a hot, dry lawn and expect it to work. If you want to help it now, water deeply rather than giving it a quick sprinkle. Do it early in the morning. Water one area slowly until the soil is damp below the surface, not just wet on top. Then leave it. A deep soak is more useful than a few minutes of spraying every day. Number 2. Check whether the water is actually going into the soil. This is where a lot of people go wrong. They water the lawn, see the surface looking wet, and think the job is done. But if the soil is hard, dry, or compacted, water can sit on top or run off. That means the roots are still dry. Here's how to check it. Push a screwdriver, small trowel, or garden fork into the soil. If it is hard to push in, the water is probably struggling to get down. Here's what to do. Water in short rounds. Give the area a slow soak for 5 to 10 minutes, then stop for 20 minutes. Then water again. That gives the soil time to absorb the moisture instead of letting it run away. If the ground is very hard, use a garden fork to make small holes in the worst areas. Push the fork in, rock it gently, then move along. You are not digging the lawn up. You are just opening little channels so water can get down into the root zone. Number 3. Look for small, round brown patches. If the patch is round, with darker green grass around the outside, it may be pet urine. Dog urine can scorch the grass in the middle. But the edge sometimes grows greener because it gets a weaker dose, so the shape matters. Here's what to do. If it has just happened, water the area well straight away. That helps dilute it before it burns the grass too much. If the patch is already dead, don't keep adding fertilizer. That can make it worse. Rake out the dead grass, loosen the top layer of soil, and repair it later when the weather is cooler and the soil can stay damp. For a quick tidy-up, you can patch small areas with a lawn repair mix, but keep it watered and keep pets off it while it establishes. Number 4. If the brown grass is mostly beside slabs, walls, paths, or driveways, it may be heat stress. Hard surfaces hold heat. Then they dry out the grass beside them faster than the middle of the lawn. That is why you can get a brown strip along the edge while the rest of the lawn looks fine. Here's what to do. Water those edge areas separately. Do it slowly and aim at the soil, not just the grass blades. If the soil is dry and hard, use the same soak and pause method. Water, wait, then water again. Later, when conditions are cooler, you can improve those edges by loosening the soil and adding a little fresh topsoil before repairing the grass. Then add grass seed or a lawn repair mix. Number 5. Check whether the brown patch is spreading. This is the one to watch. If the patch is getting bigger, feels spongy, smells musty, or the grass lifts up easily, it may not be simple drought stress. It could be a root problem, grubs, disease, thatch, or damage from too much fertilizer or weed killer. Here's what to do. Do a gentle pull test. Tug the brown grass. If it is firmly rooted, the plant may still be alive. If it lifts up easily, like loose carpet, check underneath. Look for damaged roots, grubs, or dry, dead turf. If you see grubs, do not just throw random products on it. Use the correct lawn treatment for the pest and follow the label. If you think you have overused fertilizer or weed killer, stop adding products and water the area through. The worst thing you can do is keep adding more chemicals to a stressed patch. Quick recap. Check the shape, check the soil. Then, fix the actual cause. What does your lawn look like? Brown all over, round patches, or dry edges? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.